Okay, so today we are back in the Model S. We actually got a new update, and by we, I mean me and David.
Hi!
So what we're going to do is we're going to install them simultaneously and see how long it takes both of us. So we're both on about 51 days since the last update. And so right now we are both currently on 2017.50.3. We'll see what the new update brings. Here's the current release notes. So that is what we did have all right there. So I guess we'll see what the new release brings us. Hopefully it is something special, but it's kind of cool that we both got it. I think like I got mine maybe at work or over LTE because I didn't really see anything on the traffic. David might have gotten his through our Wi-Fi. Not really sure yet. If I did, it'll be down here. I'll put exactly like how big the download was. We didn't have the download for Scott's car because his was at the service center and preloaded. So a little bit about that.
We don't know if Scott's got version 2018.4.7, but we did see that there's a new version 2018.6.1 that just hit today, so we're hoping that we get the latest version. Now back to Eric.
Are you expecting anything special in the download, David?
I haven't heard of anything yet, so no, I have no expectations.
Okay. Well, no expectations. There you have it. So I guess anything we get is awesome. So we're actually going to install this simultaneously. So here we go. We will point it both at the screen and then we'll hit it 3 times. And we are installing. Okay, we'll see you guys in a few.
1 hour later.
Okay, we are now back. It is a little later in the evening. I see I'm yawning. That's dangerous. Anyway, so we're back in the car. The update actually, mine finished like a minute before David, so maybe I started mine just a second before. So it actually took about the same for each car, which is pretty good to see. And some pretty interesting stuff on this update. So let's go ahead and walk through it. Okay, so you can see with this release, we've added the ability to choose tire pressure unit. So we kind of went over this with Scott's car. The tire pressure you can choose between bar or PSI. Now, additional improvements, this is where it gets good. So now, when you start the drive, steering wheel will automatically warm up if you set the heated wheel on during your most recent drive. Great, love it. But, in addition, if you ever need to contact Tesla roadside assistance, now you can do it through the touchscreen. Make sure your Bluetooth-enabled phone is paired with your Model S. Tap the Tesla T at the top center of the touchscreen. And then tap the roadside assistance phone number at the bottom of the pop-up. You'll immediately be directed to a roadside service professional for your vehicles at region, no matter what day or time you call. So that's actually a lot like what Elon had talked about, saying that you can eventually do all your service and everything. You can pick a time and all that through your screen. This is a first step in that direction, which is awesome to see. So excited for that. Then the rest is previous release notes, windshield wiper, yada yada yada. So let's go ahead and look at this. My phone is connected via Bluetooth right there. So we'll go ahead and check this out. Okay, so here again you can see my phone is connected. We'll click on the Tesla T. We have about your Tesla, your name, your Easter eggs, mileage. I'm finally getting up there. You can see this is version 8.1, 2018.6.1. But this is the new part. So you can just click on this and that will route you. So let's try it out. And there it is. We'll go ahead and end it because I don't want to call somebody that's not really needed right now. So I definitely think the roadside assistance is the big takeaway in this update. The heated steering wheel is something I will absolutely love. So that'll be really nice. However, it's when you start to drive. I would really like the ability to turn on my heated steering wheel and my seat warmer from my phone app. That would be awesome, so that I can actually just warm up my seat and the steering wheel, because I really don't need the rest of the cabin to be heated. It kind of is almost a little bit of a waste of energy to heat up my whole cabin just so I can have a nice seat to sit in and not have my hands freeze. So those two would be really nice to see. And also, I think the roadside assistance will really be improving, along with scheduling service appointments and stuff like that through the center screen. I think this is just a step in the first direction for them. Now, the one thing I did notice is I had a Model X with a newer update. It wasn't this one. I believe it was the same one Scott was on, which is 2018.4.7. And it did a lot better on a hump, like a hill almost. So I'm going to go ahead and test that out. That will probably be Friday's video because I really kind of want to see how it's doing now, being that the update is even newer. Hopefully it is good. I guess time will tell. Just a quick update. Wanted to show you what is the newest. Just had the update with Scott's car. Now we have this one, so it's definitely an exciting time. But if you are looking for a Tesla, feel free to check out our website, teslainventory.com. You can find the perfect Tesla for you, look through all of Tesla's own inventory. And if you're looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or the top of our website. Using that will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to get that. It's really helpful, so you never have to worry about having to pay, especially if you do a lot of road trips and stuff. Doing so will also help get us qualified for certain reward prizes, which is how we get to all these cool events, so that we can bring you guys along through the live streams and report back. So any help is certainly appreciated. And if you do use our code, definitely send me an email through the website so I have your contact information, so that when we take delivery of our next gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out, because really without your support none of this would be possible. And just to have like a good old time and do some test drives for you guys. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Definitely thumbs up if you did. Go and click here to subscribe here for some more videos, and I'll see you guys on Friday.